The biggest hedge funds and investment firms have been using powerful trading algorithms for decades. They use them to beat the market and achieve outstanding returns. Now imagine using the same revolutionary technology in your own US-based brokerage account. And what if I told you there are people like yourself seeing incredible returns on their investments with minimal oversight? I'm sure you're thinking, duh, what's the catch? And rightfully so. But the thing is, there is no catch. It is not a pipe dream. It's just similar tactics and technology that the hedge funds have been using to make the returns that they do. Our trading systems are currently running over $67 million of live user capital. The most amazing part is that you don't need to be a skilled trader or even invest a ton of your time to use this. Our platform is designed to execute trades based on systematic rules combined with the position size settings that you control at all times. We believe in bringing powerful trading tools within the reach of retail investors just like you. And that's why we're giving you the chance to gain access to our exclusive institutional grade software. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll walk you through our platform. I'm going to tell you what it is, how it works, why it's valuable, some of the most outstanding results it has achieved, and even show you some case studies from our most successful users who use the software in their own accounts. First, we'll dive into what a trading algorithm even is and how it works. A trading algorithm is a systematic trading strategy coded into an automated computer program. It executes trades based on statistics, and algorithms are incredibly more efficient than human traders. They have no emotions, they're faster, and they operate purely off statistics and data. My name is Austin. I traded futures full-time for years, and I ran a trading floor with over 20 traders specializing in equity index futures. I'm also certified in asset allocation and portfolio management from the Wharton School of Business and hold a certificate in algorithmic trading from the University of Oxford. These are some of the most prestigious institutions in the world. And over the last couple of years, our devoted team and I have developed our own trading algorithms. We diversified over across a dozen successful trading strategies, and this has allowed some of our systems to outperform the S&P benchmark return, in some cases, by over 400% year over year in model accounts. And we're not the first to do this. The most successful hedge fund managers in the world have been using trading algorithms to achieve their incredible results. Talking about guys like the most successful hedge fund manager in the world and owner of Citadel, Ken Griffin, and the second most successful hedge fund manager in the world, Jim Simons, who is considered the godfather of algorithmic trading. His hedge fund, Renaissance Technologies, averaged 66% annual returns from 1988 to 2018. And the point I'm making here is that this technology has been around for years. Over 70% of all market transactions in US equity markets are from automated trading systems. And up until now, this powerful trading technology was completely out of reach to the general public, but our mission is to change that. This is why we created Algo Exchange. Our software is designed for modern retail investors like you. It aims to streamline and automate the trading process with a professional edge. It gives you access to a library of trading algorithms with proven track records that you can connect to your US-based brokerage account, and it even works in a tax-sheltered IRA account. Now let's take a look at some of the results. So here you can see this strategy's average annual compounded return is over 90% on real-time model accounts, which is significantly higher than the typical S&P 500 return. This strategy has a historical max drawdown of 42% as well, and this is based on a $150,000 model account. If we take a look at the table here, we could actually see the performance month by month, showing the winning months, the losing months, and the yearly stats here. And of course, past performance is not indicative of future results, but this is a very, very nice looking strategy. Now, if we go ahead and look at this version here, this is actually a $50,000 version of the same exact strategy that we were just looking at. It has a little bit less history than the original version, and here you can see the max drawdown is 18.1%, and it did 45.8% from May to the end of December on a $50,000 model account last year, and has an average annual compounded return of 44.8%. So if we scroll down here, we can actually see this button that says Show Auto Trade Data. And if we click this button, we could actually see the real-time fills for all of the live brokerage accounts that are connected to it. And what we do is we take all of this data and we use the volume-weighted average of all of these fills here to show you the track record that we just displayed. With the equity curve and the monthly performance, we get those prices from all of the actual live accounts that are trading this strategy. So if we go ahead and scroll down here, you can see we have StoneX. TradePro is just a introducing broker to StoneX. You'll see a bunch of different live accounts here. These are all real accounts connected to this particular strategy. You can see interactive brokers here. And these are some of the top brokerages in the country that are registered with the CFTC. And this gives you peace of mind knowing that your funds are in a reputable brokerage. Again, we also have another strategy here. This is just for a little bit of variety. This strategy went live in February of last year. Did 91.9% on the real-time model account from February to December based on a $100,000 model account, and it has an average annual compounded return of over 80% and a max drawdown of 35.7% so far. And of course, past performance is not indicative of future results. Now, another great thing that you can do on our platform is actually go ahead and just simply use the default settings, or if you'd like to modify your stop loss, you can do so by just selecting from the drop down here what you're comfortable with for your stop. And this is totally up to you, or you could just use no custom stop loss, just use the strategy. You could do that, you just save it, or you can also decide to scale the strategy up or down if you prefer, or just leave it at the default. Let's take a look at some testimonials from some of our most exceptional successful users. Here's a quick case study on our user Stan. He is using our software in his IRA account with $180,000. 4.5 months later, he grew that account to just over $240,000 just by connecting his account to our software, turning the system on, and using default settings. All of these screenshots are from real US regulated brokerage accounts that they submitted to us. And we even have some users using 7-figure accounts with our software, and this is not typical, but this user made over $80,000 in one day with an account with over $1 million in it, utilizing our systems with dialed up settings. We believe it's important to walk the walk, and that's why we show every single trade for each algo with a trade log to prove its performance. And now you can use the software too. You don't have to sit in front of a computer for hours. In fact, you don't even need to mess with it at all, other than managing your position size settings based on your goals and risk tolerance. You don't need any trading experience either. All you need is a US-based brokerage account, and our team will help you get everything set up before you take the reins. So you gain more free time, less stress, and peace of mind knowing that our powerful systems are at work in your account. Harness the power of years of dedication and experience with the Algo Exchange automated trading platform. Our team will help you every step of the way on this journey. We'll help you get your account set up, make sure you have the information needed to choose which algorithms to connect with on our platform. We are here 24/7 for dedicated support because we care about building relationships and setting you up for success with our software. Finally, you need at least $25,000 to put in your brokerage account to use our software. So if you think this is the right platform for you, let's set up a call. Talk soon.